Hello, respectable audience. I have an interesting question for you, and you will enjoy it. 5 divided by 1 over 5 times 5. It is looking very simple, and 5 is cancelled with 5, so the remaining portion is 5 divided by 1, and 5 divided by 1 means 5 will be our answer, but remember that it is incorrect. Now, again, I will solve same question with second method.
So,
5 divided by 1 over 5. Here is also cancellation. So, our answer will be equal to 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 times 5 will be equal to 5. Again, our answer is 5, but we have concluded that 5 is not our answer, so this method is also wrong. Now I will solve this question again, and by using order of operation. Division and multiplication is there, and we have to move from left to right, means we have to divide first and then multiplication. This operation is performed first, and multiplication will be performed secondly. 5 divided by 1 over 5 here is not cancellation, because it is division. If there were multiplication, we can cancel each other, but here is division, so we will apply KCF. 5 is as it is. 5 is taken as it is. Divide is converted into multiplication, and division is converted into multiplication. 1 over 5 is flipped, so it will become 5 times 5. 5 times 5 will be equal to 25 times 5. Now it is 25 times 5. It will be equal to what? 125. And 125 is our correct and final answer. Thank you.